In this video, we will show you how to change the email address associated with your Xbox account. Whether you want to update your email for security reasons or simply use a different one, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy to follow. Steps. Sign in to your Xbox account. Open your browser and go to the Xbox website. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your current Xbox credentials, email and password. Go to your Microsoft account settings. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Microsoft Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Navigate to the Your Info section. In your Microsoft account, go to the Your Info tab from the menu on the left side. Click on Account Info to begin managing your account details. Select Manage how you sign in to Microsoft. Under the Account Info section, find and click the option Manage how you sign in to Microsoft. You will be directed to a page where you can update your email addresses linked to your account. Add a new email address. Under the Account Aliases section, click on Add Email. Enter the new email address you want to associate with your Xbox account. You will be asked to verify the new email address. Follow the prompts to confirm the email. Set the new email as primary. Once you've added the new email, you can set it as your primary alias. Click Make Primary next to your new email address. This will set it as the default email for signing into your Xbox account. Remove the old email address. If you want to remove the old email address, click Remove next to it. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal. Confirm the changes. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Microsoft. Follow any necessary instructions to complete the process. Sign in with your new email. Once you've completed the steps, use your new email to sign in to your Xbox account and enjoy your updated settings. Changing the email associated with your Xbox account is quick and simple. By following these easy steps, you can update your email without any hassle. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on more tutorials.